Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back. We are on question number 18 of our 2016 Pascal paper. Each integer from 1 to 12 is to be placed around the outside of a circle, so that the positive difference between any two integers next to each other is at most 2. The integers 3, 4, x, and y have been placed as shown. So here's x, here's y. 3 and 4 are very close to each other. Also, 3 and 4 are within at most 2 of each other. That's kind of interesting. What is the value of x plus y? So we might not actually need to figure out x and y independently. There might be some trick that, somehow maybe two paired numbers are twice the number in between them or something like that. We don't quite know. In fact, we don't have a lot of information. There isn't even an exact way that we can see the circle needs to be filled out, because we've got this at most 2. Now, I'm going to draw this circle here. What I want to focus on is the fact that the 4 and the 3 are actually rather close together, both in numerical value, but also around this circle here. So we put 3 up here, 4 is here. Where were x and y? X and y towards the bottom there. Okay? Because 3 and 4 are close together. I mean, what numbers could go on either side of 3? Well, what's within 2 of 3? You can have 1, 2, or 5. How about 4? What things can be close to 4? Well, 6, 5, and 2. Because, of course, 3 could be close to 4, but 3 has clearly been placed away from 4. Okay? So, especially when it comes to 2 and 5, 3 and 4 are almost fighting over them. So, we certainly only have a few options. We could try something like putting 6 here. And if 6 is there, what thing is close to 6 but also close to 3? Well, 5. That removes 5 from that list, 6 and 5 from here. So that sort of forces a 2 to go here, which forces a 1 to go here. And what things are close to 1? Well, 2 and 3, but those have already been placed. So I guess we can't put 6 where we did. What other possibilities are there? Maybe 5? Now, what things are close to 5 but also close to 3? Well, 4, and that's it. So we definitely can't put 5 there. That kind of forces 2 to go into this spot. And if 2 goes here, what things are within 2 of 2, but also within 2 of 3? Well, 4, but also 1. Okay, what other things are close to 5? Or sorry, close to 3? 5. 5 has to go here, because the things that are close to 3 are 1, 2, 4, which have already been placed over here, and 5. And with that 5 there, that sort of forces a 6 to go here. Because what things are close to 4? Well, 2, 3, 5, which have already been placed, and 6. And I think we can just sort of go back and forth. What things are close to 5? Well, 3, 4, 6 have already been placed. It's got to be 7. You'll have to have an 8 here, and a 9 here, and a 10 down here. And 11 and 12, and that'll work out because 11 and 12 are within 2 of each other. So x has to be 8 and y has to be 12, and it does have to be that. We tried the other possibilities. What things could be close to 4? 2, 5, and 6. We tried 6 here, we tried 5 here. Only 2 has yielded something that works. And these 7s, 8s, 9s, 10s, these are forced. So we're looking for an answer of 8 plus 12, or 20. Is 20 one of our possibilities? It absolutely is. We get an answer of D. All right, so let's flip the page to get ready for question number 19, and we will handle that in the next video. I'll see you there.